Hi everyone, welcome back to Function Pilates. I'm Vanessa Kelly, Master Trainer and the founder of Function Pilates. First, I just want to say thank you. If you have been part of this community, whether through taking my workouts, subscribing to the channel, or just following along over the years, I am so grateful that you guys are here. Many of you already know about Function Pilates Online Teacher Trainer Academy, and some of you have gone through it and are now certified instructors from Kuwait, Amsterdam, and all over the United States. But for those who are new or just curious about how the Academy works, I wanted to give you a quick overview and a behind the scenes look at how it's delivered and how it can support your journey if becoming a Pilates instructor is something you're considering. So this course was designed for people who love Pilates and are now at a point in their life where they want to turn that passion into something more, which is how I started back in 2009. So I have created this course that is self-paced, fully online. It includes lifetime access to the video modules. We have check-ins throughout the course. There is also mentorship from me and my team, and it's hands-on learning that literally mirrors the in-person experience. So whether you want to be a mat instructor or a mat and reformer instructor or going for the full comprehensive certification, you'll learn how to teach with confidence across all the equipment. You're going to understand body types and how to build programs based off experience levels. So in the description box below, I have linked our website with the upcoming course dates. Plus, you can download the full info brochure on our website. And for a little fun, you can even take a quiz to find out what kind of instructor you'd be. So now here's a sneak peek at what it's like inside the course. And I hope to see many of you guys in one of Function Pilates teacher training courses very soon. All right, so we're on short box, round back, and the purpose of this exercise is to build core strength, create flexibility in the spine, and the main muscle focus is going to be the abdominals. So we are going to be using our short box. So Rochelle, go ahead and stand on up. And we're gonna place this horizontal. And because how tall are you?
5'7".
5'7". I'm okay with her having the box in front of the shoulder blocks, but if she was anywhere from like 5'8" or going a little bit taller than that, I would want to move the actual short box in back of the shoulder blocks here. So for now, we're okay with this setup here. And I'm gonna take the foot bar all the way down flat. We have all springs on in this exercise, so Rochelle, go ahead and have a seat here. And then we wanna make sure that we have our safety strap available, so you can place your feet underneath here, just like that. I'm gonna have you relax your feet on top of the ledge here. So in this exercise, I like to teach this where the client still has connection to this ledge here. So whichever reformer you guys are working on, you wanna make sure that your client has this connection, because that's what we are trying to actually teach, is to build that deep core connection and facilitate from the abdominals to maintain that main muscle focus. So with that being said, she does have some security here. So as you widen your feet, you can build that tension through the strap. And with this exercise, since it is round back, I'm gonna have her cross her arms right at her chest here. So we're looking for neutral spine. So she's nice and tall. I'm gonna have you press your belly button towards my hand here. Shoulders are down. Good, so from this position, you're gonna take that inhale to prepare, and on the exhale, nod the chin towards your chest. We're gonna tuck that tailbone under to scoop through the belly, maintaining that C curve. And I'm gonna have you pause right about there so that we can feel that quiver occurring in her midsection. And I want you to think about pressing your feet into the ledge as you round up and over and restack to rebuild the spine here. Beautiful. So the main thing here is that as she presses her feet down, when she returns up again, that's where she's actually really feeling those abdominal muscles activate here. So let's try that again. You're gonna nod the chin down towards your chest. She's slowly articulating through the spine. We're gonna hold it right there as you take a breath. And then you're rounding over this big beach ball, and then we're rebuilding the spine nice and slowly here. Good, let's try that one more time. So nodding the chin down towards the chest, exhale, scooping the belly, articulating, beautiful, take that hold. And then as you exhale, really press in here to build more of that deeper connection. Good, so pause right there for a second. As she becomes more intermediate and she understands this exercise a lot more, that the work is coming from her abdominal muscles, I'm okay with her to scoop back a little bit more. And now her feet are off the ledge here. So she does have to really rely on the safety strap to pull it apart so that she doesn't actually go back into the well here. So let's try that one more time just with this positioning. So inhale to prepare, she nods her chin, she exhale, she lowers herself back, she takes a pause there. Beautiful. Now, not relying on the strap, we want to again teach her how to use her abdominals to restack herself up at the top here. Good. Beautiful job there. So there could be other different props that we want to use for round back, but the main focus is that she was developing that C curve in her spine and not actually maintaining a flat back position here.